Hello. I'm going to go through some functionality added in our Vicinity 4.54 release, which is our March 2026 release. It's specifically for our food clients, and that has to do with integration to Genesis, Trustwell. So many of you food companies are well aware that the nutritional calculation tool called ESHA, owned by Genesis or vice versa, was acquired, and they have since made some improvements on how we can talk to that product, that database. Specifically, they hold lists of ingredients and the nutritional values. They can also do nutritional calculations based on formulas. We have an integration with, and have for many, many years, with that product, but it was all done with relatively old technology on the ESHA side of things. They have since updated their environment, and they now have an API, and they now have a cloud application. So for those of you who want to move from that desktop local database to a cloud environment, we have an integration to do so. It works identically to the way the local one was, but it just kind of show you kind of what's going on. I'll pull up a raw material real quick. For those that haven't used it, we actually have integrations to a couple of different nutritional databases. One is the USDA database, and the other is the ESHA database. The ESHA database is the one we're referring to. They have an API key that you would get with your subscription. We would load that up so that you can make a connection as if it were you. Now, what the integration is actually doing is populating nutritional values for a component, for a raw material item. So it's pulling them in. I'll show the way we do it with the USDA database because I don't have an API key myself on my workstation, but it's identical. You just press the button, it'll actually say associate with an ESHA item. And it'll give you a list of all those items. You can search based on the item number or the description. The item number would be the ESHA item. Of course, the description is coming from ESHA's item numbers. And what's going to happen is, first, visually, you're going to see an identifier that it's been connected, and then it will automatically bring in those nutritional values for you. For those that don't use this functionality, these nutritional values can then be used in formula entry to calculate the nutritional values for a formula. So just know that that's out there if you find that to be beneficial. We've got that integration. We do have some clients that do use it. I just wanted to let everybody know that we have upgraded our integration from their desktop local database version to their cloud version. You may need some help implementing that change. Just give us a shout into support, and we'll be happy to walk you through that process. It's pretty simple, but you could use some direction on that, and also check out the resource guide. Anyway, look forward to more suggestions, and we really appreciate everything you've brought to our attention in the last few months. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.